family, welcome or welcome back to the channel. This video is Aurora complete wash day treatment. We shampoo her hair. We also use bonding treatment and then blow dry her hair. Nowadays I keeping her hair in a scratch style because my daughter is very tender headed. So if you have a kid who is tender headed and you still want to grow their hair, then this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through step-by-step process of what we did. First, starting out with our bonding treatment number 3. This is a bond reconstructor. I'm just applying it to her hair. Now, yes, bond treatment can be used on kids too. Our hair is made of 3 layers. That is the cuticle, the cortex, and the medulla. Bonding treatment helps with the cortex layer. Now, those bonds get broken down by heat, by chemical, and also the environment. Also, constant combing and brushing can also break those bonds down. Even though I take good care of my daughter's hair, we use products that are free from harsh chemicals, but also the environmental factor. So, because of that, I have started including a bond treatment into our routine. No, these products are not ready yet. They are not available yet on my website, but it will be available by the end of this year, hopefully, if everything goes well. But if you want to stay updated, you can head to my website, put in your email, and I'll let you know when it is available. So after adding the bond treatment to her hair, I left it on for like 2 minutes. Now I'm going over it with the oil, and then I'm just going to let this to sit in her hair for like 30 minutes. After that, I will go in and start her wash day treatment. Now, to also speed this up, I'm going to go in with the stem cap. I put the stem cap in the microwave for 2 minutes, and once it's felt very warm and relaxing, and I just put it on her hair. Aurora hair is getting very long because of the care that I give to her hair. I wash her hair twice a month. That's every 2 weeks. Sometimes if I'm less busy, I wash it weekly, but majority of the time it's only twice a month. Once I'm using good ingredients on my kids' hair, I'm using products that are not harsh on their hair and also being very gentle with their hair. I do not use rough detangling tools on their hair. I finger detangle first before I go in with any tools if I'm using like a detangling brush on her hair, but I do not immediately just start brushing dry hair or tangle up hair. When I feel the knots with my fingers, and then I go in and gently separate it. Now, for you to be able to retain length, it's a whole different thing on its own. You need to know how to keep the hair cuticles laid down, and that way you wouldn't cause unnecessary frizz, unnecessary tangles, which will lead to unnecessary breakage. So each time you see me handling my hair or my kids' hair, I try my best to always keep the cuticle down. That means less breakage, less tangles. For this wash day, being that I will be using heat on her hair, which is blow drying her hair to scratch it, I shampoo her hair about 3 different times. The first two shampoo, that was a keratin shampoo. Now that keratin had protein in it. The protein protects the first layer of the hair, which is the cuticle layer. That's what the protein does. It strengthens the cuticle layer. And then once I got through washing her hair a couple of times with the keratin shampoo, and then I went in with the bonding shampoo. Now, the bonding shampoo will protect the cortex layer of the hair. If you are not using heat on your hair, you can shampoo your hair twice and you will be fine. But being that I'm using heat on her hair, I haven't washed her hair for over 3 weeks now. So I just wanted to make sure that I take all the dirt, all the impurities from her hair. And as you guys can see, her hair is so long now. And this bonding shampoo, this is luxury in a bottle. The texture is so smooth and creamy. I cannot wait for you guys to give it a try. But I'm now going in with the bonding shampoo. And since this shampoo is a bonding shampoo, I love to leave it on for 2 minutes. So she was in there playing with her little doll while we left it on for 2 minutes and just talking, chatting. She was asking me a lot of questions about her. This little girl, she loved learning new things and she loved asking a lot of questions, and mommy loved teaching, especially when it comes to hair care. So I started explaining everything to her. I explained to her what the keratin shampoo does. I explained to her what the bonding shampoo does. I explained to her the various steps I was doing on her hair, and she loved it. After going in with two different shampoo, I went in with our conditioner, our bonding conditioner, and I also used the bonding conditioner to detangle her hair. So we are out of the shower. Yes, I went in with heat protectant. I lost that clip. I cannot find it. But first, I went in with a very light leave-in conditioner, this sprays, and then I went in with our heat protectant. And then I just used the brush, to just get it dry first. And then afterward, I went in. Well, this brush can get extremely hot, but I'm using it on the low setting because you guys know Aurora here, she have a looser curl texture, type 3 curl texture, so she doesn't need much heat to straighten her hair, which is good. So I put it on low and then I'm just taking my time and going through it and detangling her hair. Again, why I decided to start stretching my daughter hair because she's very tender hair there. So to make life easier on her and myself, I'm going to start scratching her hair just with the blow dry. And because of the texture she has, just a little bit of scratching get her hair extremely straight. As you guys can see, this is how her hair looks, extremely long and healthy. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to check out my hair care line, I will tag it down in the description box for you. Bye bye.